Yes, good morning.
Ma'am.
Yes, better. Good morning, and please, all of you all, mute your mics. Today, you'll have to do this exercise, that is, rearrange the following words and phrases to form meaningful sentences. Okay. So, to do that, first you have to very neatly write the heading, that is communicative English. In the margin, write date. Okay.
Ma'am, your
And then
screen is half.
my screen is what?
Coming
My
half.
screen, it'll come. It's half only. Is it half? Screen is
No,
half?
ma'am, it's full.
It's
It's
full.
full. Yes, it's
Hmm.
clear.
Okay. Okay. So all of y'all very neatly write these questions and the answers. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And leave a line between each. One question, one answer, leave a line. Second question, write the question, write the answer and leave a line. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. First complete the first five. Then raise your hand so that I can see who is it. It is compulsory for everybody to do it in the notebooks, in the communicative English notebooks.
Okay.
કોઈ hand raise કરે છે ને એ જોઉં છું પછી. Yunus Kasmani has raised a hand. Misbah has raised a hand. So first I'm going to ask Yunus Kasmani. Who is Yunus Kasmani? Kasmani? Zeda?
Fatima. Fatima.
Kasmani Fatima? Please, can you tell me the first answer? Can you
Niti
tell?
rode. Niti rode his new bike blue.
No, beta, it's wrong. Who was the next girl who raised the hand? Misbah raised a
And
hand. Misbah, yes, please.
Nitish rode his new blue bike.
Correct. So that's please write the correct answer. The second one, write and then raise your hand.
Ma'am, first you can repeat.
The first one is
Huh?
Nitish rode his new blue bike. The second one, who's ready? Fiza Fatima Bhimani has raised a hand. Yes, Fiza, please tell the answer.
There are two birds in the
Yes,
nest.
Fiza.
There are two birds in the nest.
Your voice is not audible.
Sir, there
Fiza.
are. Hello, ma'am.
Fiza, you're not audible, beta.
Ma'am, can you hear me now? Hello.
Fiza, I can't hear you. Okay,
Hello.
Fatima Tarwadi has left the meeting. Okay.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, please tell me your name.
Fatima
Zoe
Lohia.
Fatima Loya. Okay, please. The second one.
There are two birds in the nest.
Very good. Very good. Now we move on to the third one. The words are Mr. Sham R has teacher named Timmy Cat. Anybody? Zoya. Okay, Zoya, you say better.
Mr.
Zoya.
Sham, our teacher, has a
Uh,
cat named Timmy.
very good. Both are correct. See, another way is our teacher, Mr. Sham, has a cat named Timmy. Okay. And you even said that our teacher, Mr. Sham, our teacher. Both the answers are correct. In my book, I've written our teacher, Mr. Sham, has a cat named Timmy. So whichever you want to write, you can write. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. We move on to the next one. That is number 4. Modesa Nayani has raised a hand. Yes, Modesa.
Lake Park is a good place for walk.
Very good. Lake Park is a good place for a walk. Please write down the answer. Next. Yunus Kasmani. Yes, Katmani beta. Please tell the next
Yes,
answer.
ma'am.
Yes, beta.
The Tawan Arunachal in bracket snow stay on the mountain in winter.
Very good. In Tawang, in Twang, actually it's Twang, Arunachal Pradesh, snow stays on the mountains in the winters. Very good. Okay. So we written all the 5. All of you all have
Ma'am, you
completed.
can repeat fifth one.
Can I repeat? Okay. You want me to repeat? Okay. In Twang, and in bracket you write Andhra Pradesh, snow stays on the mountains in the winter. Shall I repeat again?
Yes, ma'am.
In Twang, in bracket you write Arunachal Pradesh, snow stays
Okay.
on the mountains in winter.
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody is completed, better?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. We'll move to the next slide. Okay, okay. The words are grandma in the played and her park, Sunita. Who's going to try? You can tell me your name first.
Nayani Mohaddesa.
Yes, Mahdasa, please better.
Sunita and her grandmother played in the park.
Very good, very good. Sunita and her grandmother played in the park. We move on to the next one.
Ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
My
Ma'am,
Rose.
can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you,
You want me to repeat the sixth one?
no, ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, can you back for one PPT, ma'am? I left question first.
The first one. You're talking about the first one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll just.
Ma'am, can I take screenshot?
Yes, please.
Just a second. Okay, ma'am. Done.
Done? Okay, okay. We'll move on to the next
Thanks, ma'am.
one. Number 7.
Yes.
Number 7. Now, who's going to attempt number 7?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, beta. Your name is I suppose?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. You can try.
My friend Rosie found a beautiful bird when she was at the park.
Very good, very good. So, there is no at in the park, but in the park. Okay.
My
So,
friend.
the answer is my friend, comma, Rosie found a beautiful bird when she was at the park. Yes, at is there. Correct. Sorry, I didn't know that that was not there. It was there. Sorry. We move
मैम
on
फिर
to
से
some
रिपीट करो ना.
again. Okay, shall I tell the answer? My friend Rose found a beautiful bird when she was at the park. My friend Rose found a beautiful bird when she was at the park. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Shall we move on to the next one? Have you written,
Yes,
girls?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Somebody else try, no, not the same girls, please. And all of you unmute your mute your mics. Don't unmute them, but mute your mics. Only the one who इतना देखा था. Okay. Yes, beta. Who's going to answer?
Ma'am, can I? Fatima
Tell me your
Lohia.
name, beta. Misbah
Fatima
has raised her
Lohia.
finger. You've already got a chance. Okay. Somebody else, please. Yes. What did you say your name is? Beta, tell me your name.
Fatima
Tell me.
Lohia.
Huh? Yes, please say beta. Come on. The next answer.
Disneyland Amusement Park is my favorite park.
Park is not twice. No, there's no. The word park is appears only once. So,
Disneyland Amusement is my favorite park.
no, beta.
Ma'am, can I
Any?
Nayani Madesa?
Yes, yes, beta. Yes, Modesa.
Disneyland is my favorite amusement park.
Very good. So the correct answer is Disneyland is my favorite amusement park. Okay. Now we move on to the ninth one.
मैम फिर से रिपीट करो तो एक वाला.
Okay, shall I repeat? Disneyland is my favorite amusement park. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. Number 9. Yes, beta. Who's going to say number 9? It's very easy.
Ma'am, can I?
Kasim Raza. Okay, she left the meeting. Yes, beta.
Ravan and Ram like to play cricket.
Yes, Ram and Ravan or Ravan and Ram. Anybody likes to play cricket. Very good. Like to play cricket. Ram and Ravan like to play cricket. It's not likes, it's like, okay? So Ram and Ravan like to play cricket. Now number 2. It's the same one which was in the first slide. So it's very easy for you all. It is repeated.
Ma'am, can I?
There are two birds in the nest.
There are two birds
Very
in the nest.
very good. So anybody wants to take a screenshot or shall I change the slide?
No, ma'am, change it.
Okay, okay. We'll move on to the next one. Okay, we'll move to number 11.
Ma'am, can I?
And can
Yeah.
I?
Misbah, you've
Ma'am,
already
can
said.
I?
Who's the other one?
Nayani
Kasbani
Madesa.
Fatima.
Oh, okay, Kasmani Fatima, please.
Mother and father went to the store.
Very good. Mother and father went to the store. It was very easy, but very good. You tried. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Number 12. Number 12.
The bone.
Who's going to try?
The bone in the garden. Garden. In a garden hides.
No better. Anybody else can try? Anybody else can try better?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, better.
Spot hide a bone in the garden.
Spot hide. Is it hide or hid?
Hid.
Hid. Spot
Okay,
the
very good. Spot hid a bone in the garden. That means Spot is a dog, okay, over here. So Spot hid a dog bone in the garden. We'll move on to the next one. Now here, 13 one, I've forgotten two words over here. I've forgotten to write two words. It is my and dog. So in the number 13 question, add my and dog. Question number 13, add my and dog. Did you understand, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So please try the sentence now. Rearrange them better.
My dog Sandy liked to run through the
Sprinkler.
sprinkler.
My dog Sandy likes to run through the sprinkler. What is a sprinkler? Actually, there are two or three meanings, but here I suppose it should be where uh, with what the water is being poured to the plants, but there must be some system of that. Sprinkler may be of different type also. So we have to find out the exact meaning of this. Okay. So everybody knows the answer. Shall I repeat Sandy answer of Sandy? Everybody's got the answer.
Yes,
My
ma'am.
dog Sandy, my dog Sandy likes to run through the sprinkler. Okay. Next is number 14. Come on. Number 14.
Standard school sits high on the hill.
Standard school sits high on the hill. Very good. The answer is correct. Standard school sits high on the hill. Standard school is the name of a school. Okay. Yes. Completed all of y'all.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll move on to number 15. The words are Jigyasa, I walked around daughter my a lake with. Yes, who's going to answer?
I walk around my daughter Jignasa lake.
No, beta, it is wrong. Please try
I walked
again, please.
around the lake with my daughter Jigyasa.
I walked around the lake with my daughter Jignasha. Okay, correct. I walked around the lake with my daughter Jigyasa. Okay. Everybody has written number 11 to 15, all the questions and the answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Girls, anybody wants to take a screenshot?
I'm taking screenshot.
Okay, okay. We'll move on to the next one.
2 minutes.
Okay.
अब करो ना थोड़ी
Okay. Yes, beta. Now, number
स्क्रीनशॉट
16. You want screenshot of the previous one?
Yes, ma'am.
You want the screenshot, the second slide? Okay, please take it.
I have taken.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes,
Ma'am,
beta. Yes, beta. Please ask me. What are you asking, beta? What is your query? Yes. Somebody has to. She's been trying to ask me something. Okay, come on, girls. Now we'll move on to the 16th one. 16th one.
music,
Yes, tell me. I cannot hear your voice better.
music
Speak.
has an important place in our lives.
Yes, I think the same girl is repeating. Modesa, Musba, and Fatima Kasmani. Everybody else has to try also. Okay, yes, music plays an important place in our lives. Music plays an important place in our lives. We'll move on to the number 17. I want somebody else to try. Misbah, let others try first.
Okay, ma'am.
Who's going to? Yes, better. Who's going to try now? Girls. So many girls are there. Please answer. Who's going to answer this? Number 17. Number 17.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, please. Tell me your name better.
Naya.
Adia. No, Adia. Yes, better. Nayani.
Yes.
Okay. Please say the answer.
Our body and mind activates it.
No.
Ma'am, can I say now?
Yes,
It
better.
our body
It,
and mind.
Somebody said that it activates our body and mind. So the correct answer is it activates our body and mind. So what is it? It is actually referred to the music in the previous sentence. So music activates our body and mind. Okay. Now we'll move on
ma'am,
to
you
number
can.
18. 18. Again they are talking about music. Yes, beta. Number 18.
A
Ma'am,
fine
17
art
repeat.
regard as
No, no, better try again. Rupani
Ma'am,
Zainab, you're not
17.
trying.
Ma'am, 17 repeat करो ना.
17. You want to know 17? It activates
Ma'am,
our
can
body
I?
and mind.
Ma'am, can
Number
I?
18. Yes, better.
It is a art also regarded as a fine.
No, it is wrong, better.
Ma'am, now can I?
Yes, please.
It is also regarded as a fine art.
Very good. So the correct answer is it is also regarded as a fine art. We'll move on to number 19. Number 19. 19.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, please.
That's a double dose of good news difficult to recite.
To resist. That's a double dose of good news difficult to resist. So you'll understood the meaning of the sentence? That's a double dose of good news difficult to resist. Do you all know the meaning of the sentence? Girls, I'm asking you all.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
better. You understood the meaning?
Yes.
Okay, what does it mean?
Ma'am, it's that we have. Ma'am, can I talk in Hindi?
Yes, please.
मैम जब हमको है ना वो ऐसा बोल रहे कि दो खुशी आती है ना हम लोग उसको अच्छे से वो वैसा नहीं कर पाते हैं
What? Repeat again.
रिजेक्ट दो खुशी साथ में आती है तो अपने उसको रिजेक्ट
Oh,
नहीं कर पाते.
exactly. So when you get two news, good news together, so it's a double dose of good news, difficult to resist. Resist means you can't avoid that. You know, it's such a good news.
Yes, yes,
Okay. So you can use it in your daily regular conversation also. When you get some good news, it's not only double news, but it is just a good news also that is difficult to resist.
yes,
Okay. Like you are going to buy, your father is going to buy a car,
yes,
and with that it is on your birthday. So both the
yes,
occasions are very good. You know, you are
yes,
going to celebrate on that day. So it's a dose of double good news. Okay. That's
yes,
difficult to resist. Okay. We'll move
yes.
on to the next one. Number 20. Yes, beta. Number 20.
Call us whatever you like.
Okay, that's correct. Call us whatever you like. So some people, you know, they call other people they are very smart or over smart, or they talk behind the back, but you all don't bother, you don't care, and you say call them, let them call us whatever you like, we don't mind. So okay, everyone has taken a screenshot of this slide. Do
Yes,
you
ma'am.
want to
Yes,
take a
ma'am.
screenshot or shall I move the slide? Yes, better.
Ma'am, take a screenshot.
Okay, okay, we'll move on. This is the last one. So let's complete it before the time gets over. It's already 22. We'll make it a bit fast.
Okay, ma'am.
Number 21, who's going to say?
Can I?
Yes, better.
When I first landed in Ladakh in 2013, I knew no one.
Very good, Misbah. When I first landed in Ladakh in 2013, I knew no one. Hmm? Come on, shall I repeat? When I first landed in
Yes.
Ladakh in 2013, I knew no one. Shall I move on to the next one, better?
Yes, ma'am.
Insecurities caught emotions suffocating in a web in him. So I think it's a bit difficult. For some of y'all, can anyone try this except Misbah?
Ma'am, which one?
Number 22, better. Misbah is not going to try this one. Insecurities caught emotions suffocating in web or him of R. Come on.
Ma'am, I also don't know this answer.
You don't know? Everybody? Or shall I tell the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody wants to try? One last try, then I'll tell the answer.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So the answer is caught in a web of emotions, caught in a web of emotions, comma, insecurities are suffocating him. Caught in a web of emotions, insecurities are suffocating him. That means, let me tell you, when a person is surrounded by a lot of tension and he has a lot of emotions, all sad and happy and all these emotions, insecurities are suffocating him. That is especially when somebody has very lot of tension, he's surrounded by a lot of emotions of insecurity, of loss of somebody, or some loss or some sadness. What happens? Insecurities are suffocating him. Means he feels so insecurity that he feels suffocated. That is, suffocated is actually meaning is when you feel breathless. Okay. तो इट्स अनदर वे ऑफ सेइंग सफोकेटिंग हिम मींस इतने घिर गए थे ना विद टेंशन से कि उसको खुद को लग रहा था कि मैं सफोकेट हो रहा है, मेरे सांस भी नहीं ले सकता हूँ. So much of tension. So caught in a web of emotions, insecurities are suffocating him. Have you written the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, move on
Yes.
to number 23 because we have to complete. 23. Come on, number 23.
Defense of the nation begins with control of skies.
Very good. Defense of the nation begins with control of skies. Now, it does not literally mean that we have to take control of the skies. Actually, skies means when there's a war or something, and there are means white fighter planes and all that. So, defense of the nation begins with from the top to the bottom, we have to take care of our country. So, how do you see to the safety of your country? From top means from the air flights, I mean the war. During the war, we begin with the air flights, then we begin with water navals, we begin with army. So it should be together, but the first thing we have to be assured of that we are safe with our fighter planes. Okay, so that's why it is said.
repeat करो ना.
So the answer of the nation is defense of the nation begins with the control of skies. We move on to the next one. Workers maintain we must dignity of the. Who's going to
We
say the
must
answer?
maintain the dignity of workers.
Very good. We must maintain the dignity of workers. Very good. Very good. Now we move on to the 25th one. Number 25.
India globally integrated tourism product we need to promote.
No, no, it's wrong. Anybody else would like to try? Anybody else would like to try? Hmm? We need to promote India globally as an integrated tourism product. We need to promote India means we have to advertise for India globally. Globally means all over the world as an integrated tourism product. That is, that India is a good place for tourism. So that is the meaning of it. So we need to promote India globally as an integrated tourism product. Everybody got it? Or you want me to repeat the answer? Girls?
Listen.
Huh? Anybody wants me to repeat? We need to promote India globally as an integrated tourism product. Complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, everybody wants to take a screenshot. You want to take a screenshot?
Yes, ma'am.
Please take the screenshot.
Taken, ma'am.
Okay, so this is over with today's exercise. Now everybody must do this for homework who has not done in the books. Okay, and please,
Okay, ma'am.
when I come in the next class, you are going to show me your notebooks on screen on the computer. Okay, you should present your screen and show all your answers.
Okay,
Is that clear?
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. It is a proxy lecture or it is my conversation lecture. I am going to ask you to show me your notebooks. Okay.
Tomorrow you need.
Okay, girls. So thank you, and all of you all stay safe at home. Okay. Have a good day. Bye, girls.
Bye,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, bye, bye.
Bye, ma'am.